everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about model question paper, okay, mathematics SSLC Karnataka school examination. So model question paper 1 it is, then these are the general instructions to the students where question paper is going to consist of 38 questions, okay, and the exam duration is 3 hours 15 minutes, which is going to be for 80 marks. So in this video I'm going to solve question number 1. 4 alternatives are given each of the following questions. Incomplete statement, choose correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of the alphabet. Okay, so first question is, what is the first question? The HCF of 3 and 5 is. So what will be the correct options? So first here you can see 3 factor we have to know, which is, okay, it is going to be 1 and 3. Okay, so 3 is going to be in the table of 1. Okay, 1 into 3 we are going to get 3, and 3 itself is going to be in 3 table, right? Similarly 5 factor is 1 comma 5, right? So in both, see, in question they have asked 3 and 5. So 3 factor is 1 and 3, 5 factor is 1 and 5. So 3 and 5 are different, so that is not a common factor. So the only option we have is 1 and 1, right? So in both the factor, which is 3 and 5, 1 is the common factor. So in option you can see A is the 1. Okay, so correct answer is 1, okay, which is going to be A. Okay, so this is the correct option. Clear? Next we will go for, so this was question number 1, right? So next we will go to question number 2. So what is the question number 2? In the figure, the number of zeros of polynomial y equals to p of x is. Okay, here I will tell you the easy trick. Okay, so here we have the graph. Okay, so here I'll just draw a rough graph. Okay, so which is your x-axis? This is your x-axis, and this one is going to be y-axis. So here what they have told, the number of zeros equals to polynomial. So you have to remember polynomial 0 andre graph x-axis nalle ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ touch ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. Okay, so here in the graph question you can see, so I'm just drawing the graph. It is touching, right? 1, 2, 3, and you see it is touching and coming down. It is not crossing it, right? It is not crossing. So how many times it is touching? 1, 2, okay, here it is touching x-axis one time, then second time, and it is crossing the x-axis for the third time. Here you can see it is not crossing, fourth one is not crossing, it is just touching, right? So that will not be considered. Okay, so the number of zeros for the polynomial, okay, it is going to be A option, which is, okay, A option. What is the A option? 3. Okay, so you should see how many times it is touching. See, 1, it is crossing to the 2, then 3, fourth time it is not touching, it is just going down. Okay, so first time x-axis it is crossing, then second time also it is crossing to the x-axis, third time also it is crossing, but fourth time it is not crossing the x-axis, right? So 3 is the answer for the second question. Next, let's see, third question is, if the pair of linear equation is x1x plus b1y plus c10 and a2x plus b2y plus c20 have unique solution, Then the correct relation among the following is, these are the options. So correct relation among the following, which is going to be the correct relation? Here they have given two equations, so we have to found the correct relation. So remember that here B option, A1 B1 by B2 C1 C2. Okay, so these are all equal, so this can't be this. So remember one thing, if you find somewhere, okay, so in the A option itself you check A1 by A2 does not equals to B1 by B2. Whenever you are checking the correct relation, if you find somewhere in the initial state itself, okay, so this is A1 A2 B1 B2, okay, so wherever you find, this is the golden rule. Pair of linear equation unique solution ಯಾವಾಗ one point ನಲ್ಲಿ intersect ಆದರೆ only one solution. So here it is intersecting, right? So A1 by A2 does not equals to B1 B2 is the correct option. Okay, equal illa andre one solution is confirmed. So this is the correct option for the question number 3. Clear? Next is fourth one. What is the question? The arithmetic progression is in the following is 1 to 4 8, right? Next is 3 7 10 14 1 4 9 16 5 9 13 14 13 17. So here you can see which is the common difference. Same irbeku. Okay, arithmetic progression. The arithmetic progression in the following. So here you can see 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Here 3 plus 7, any 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 7 14. So B is wrong option. Okay, so B cannot be the option. Next is C. Check it. 1 plus 4 9. Even this is not the correct option. See, 1 plus 4 is 5, but here you are getting 4 plus 9 is 16. No, this is not, this cannot be the arithmetic progression. But here 5. Okay, so here if I see the D option, okay, so how we can find out? See, 5 comma 9 comma 13 comma 17. Why this is correct? Because see, if I add 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Okay, so 9 plus 4 is going to become 13. 13 plus 4 is equals to 17. So here we are adding 4 to each digit for the arithmetic progression. Okay, and then we are getting this. So plus 4 we are adding. Whereas rest of it we are not adding. Okay, so number digits changes everywhere here. See, here it becomes, see, 1 plus 1 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2. Okay, so everywhere digits are changing, right? It is not matching with the next number. Okay, for the arithmetic regular arithmetic progression, it is not matching. Whereas D is the right answer. Next, fifth solution for the fifth. In the given frequency distribution table, the median class is. So which is the median class we have to find out? Median class equation, easy trick. First, n by 2. First what we have to do is n by 2 is the formula for the median. Okay, median distribution, n by 2 is the formula, right? Next, what we have to do is we have to see total students. How many are the total students? 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 is equals to 20. So 20 are the students, right? So n is 20 by 2. So what will be the answer? It is going to be 10, right? So now, so cumulate frequency table, you have to see 10, anywhere you can see cumulative frequency. So it is going to be 20 to 30. Why 20 to 30? Because we have got median as 10. So between cumulative frequency, which is closer to the 10, in the cumulative frequency, okay, this table cumulative frequency, which is closer to the 10, 14. After 10 only you can get 14. We should not check the before now. So 14 is the right. So what is going to be? It is going to be 20, 30 option. Okay. So what is the option number? It is C, which is 20 to 30. Okay. So your median you have to find 20 n by 2. So n value is 20. 20 by 2, then I have got 10. So 10 is close. Then you have to check the cumulative frequency, which is 10 after 10, which is the closer number, 14. So you have to check this row. Marks is 20 to 30. So C is the correct option. Clear? Next, if cot A equals to 3 tan A, then the measure of the angle A is what degree? Okay, so here you have to remember the standard value. Okay, so if tan A equals to root 3, okay, this is the standard value. So tan 60 degree is equals to root 3 or the cube, root 3 it is. So angle A is going to be 60 degree. Okay, so if tan A equals to root 3, see 3 is coming this side, which is going to become, here it is multiplication, right? So see in question what they have given, A equals to, okay, so let me erase this one. So tan 3, so if this 3 comes this side, it is going to become root 3. Okay, so that is nothing but the root 3. Okay, so tan 60 is equals to root 3. So what will be the answer? 60 degree, which is the option B. Okay, so this is the answer B. For which question? It is going to be for the sixth question. Let's move to the seventh question. Okay, it is a perpendicular drawn from point P -4 -5 intersects x-axis at the point Q. The coordinates of point Q are. So what are the points? It is -4, -5, right? X-axis, right? It should draw to the x-axis. X-axis male y value always 0. So this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. So -4. So what is going to be the coordinate? -4 and 0. Why 0? Because for -5, okay, it is going to be 0. Coordinate is going to be 0 coordinate. So what is the answer? It is -4, 0, which is the B option. Clear? Next is eighth one. The quadratic equation whose roots are 6 and 1 -1 is What will be the equation? Quadratic equation for 6 and minus 1. Okay, so sum x square equal minus sum of roots, okay, x plus product of roots equals to 0. So sum is 6 plus 1, which is going to be 7. Product is 6 into 1 equals to 6. Right? So what answer you are going to get? It is going to be x square minus 7x plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so do we have this in option? It is option number here in question they have given minus 1. Sorry, I have taken plus 1. Okay, so it is minus 1. Okay, so let me solve. Okay, sum is going to be 6 minus 1 equals to 5. Product is going to be 6 into 1, which is going to be 6. So what will be the answer? X square plus, not plus, yeah, plus 5x, okay, and minus, because here I have to take minus 1. So 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. So minus 6 equals to 0. So which option is correct? A option is correct. Clear? A option is correct. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video where we will solve the question number, answer the following question. Okay, tata, bye bye. I hope this is going to help you for the exam. See you in the next video. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.